Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Soon after we got married in Puerto Vallarta, over 5 years ago, we met a couple and hung out together until we left. Before coming back to Canada, she made us a coffee with some serious personality. I never asked her for the recipe, but recently I created my own and call it Boozy Mexican Coffee. With a gorgeous mix of ingredients, this is a cup of joe that will certainly keep you warm and cozy. So let's get mixing. In an Irish coffee mug, we'll pour in tequila. I'm using blue agave, but use your preferred one. And then Kahlua coffee liqueur or Tia Maria. By the way, did you know you can make Tia Maria from scratch? To find out how, the link is showing on your screen. We'll top it up with freshly brewed coffee, leaving a couple inches from the top so we can add milk. If you want to make it even boozier, is that a word? You can add Baileys instead of the milk. Next, we'll add some whipped cream, and to make it from scratch, click on the top right corner of your screen. We'll sprinkle on some cocoa powder as well as ground cinnamon. We'll serve immediately. And my friends, this is our Boozy Mexican Coffee. With tasty Mexican ingredients, this coffee is sure to keep you warm. It's a delicious hot drink to enjoy this winter. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, cheers!